made it to Din Tai Fung in Taipei 101. We decided to wait in line. It said about 30 minutes and we should be called pretty soon. So we're going to be trying their famous xiaolongbao and some of their other baos. We've made it in, and we got our first xiaolongbao. These are the green squash and shrimp xiaolongbao. And also we got some stir-fried spinach because we need our greens. We've been eating a lot of meat the last couple days. And so we have our mixture, which is 1 part soy sauce to 3 parts vinegar over sliced ginger. And that's how you're gonna eat your soup dumplings. I thought they were all ours. Ooh, the xiaolongbao just got here. These are the their most famous traditional ones. Xiaolongbao soup dumpling. So juicy. The wrapper is so thin and translucent, but still has flavor. The perfect folds, 18 folds for the perfect soup dumpling.
Oh, they weigh
The meat.
No, not the meat. It's not weighing it.
The wrapper? So we're at Kao Chi restaurant. We're at the Yongkang location. And we're actually across the street from Din Tai Fung. We're here to try out their xiaolongbao. I was reading the Eddie Huang book, and he mentioned that one of his grandpas will always wait in line for Din Tai Fung, no matter how long the line is. But his other grandpa just wanted to come here because there's always no line. So we walked in and no line. We got seated right away. We are ordering some of their xiaolongbaos along with their crab egg soup, some vegetables, and their version of beef noodle soup. So we're excited to try it out. Alright, so I have my vinegar, soy sauce, and ginger mixture. We're doing about 3 parts vinegar to 1 part soy sauce. And I'm gonna pick up one of these xiaolongbaos. So I'm gonna try to see, it's not as tight in the pinching of the dough. It looks pretty translucent, but we'll see. The meat is really juicy. The dough is pretty thin, but you still get the taste of it, the texture of it. Not bad. I think it's a good competition for Din Tai Fung.
So which one's better?
I don't know. I had 2-3 xiaolongbao now. I will say Din Tai Fung's wrapper is a lot thinner and it stays soft. I think this one, it came out maybe 10 minutes ago and it's kind of cooling down. I kind of feel like it's getting a little thicker. It's not as translucent, but overall still juicy. If I had to wait again for Din Tai Fung for like 30 to 45 minutes and there was no wait here, it's a good toss up to come here, and I would order the xiaolongbaos again.
What about the corn soup?
So this is a lot larger than I thought it was going to be. I'm going to try to make my ways at least a 4th way through, but not bad. Not too much crab in it, but you can taste the taste of it.